কেমন আছেন স্যার? আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। Just wait for 5 minutes so that everybody can enter. Okay. Then we'll just talk to every item.
Sir, your microphone might be mute, sir.
So now we can start our class. So please, everyone try to understand one thing, that is your map. Layout view times your map should be contained. Which is item, please. You can write it. That is title in your map. When you will go to the layout view, as for example layout view, which item we will check, you can write it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please write it. First is title of your project. So we will check your, okay, we will check your map with title. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then next on the grid. Second on, please everyone, because next class you need to submit your assignment. That's why please try to understand which is item we will check. Title, grid. Okay. Then another is latitude, longitude, east and north value in the right side. Look at these things. We will check decimal degree and degree minute second. We will check it. Then the grid. If the grid is available, I am just opening the another file. That will help you. Title, grid, north arrow, scale bar, and last is your legend. In total legend, you need to show it in the file. And another thing, that is, if you look at this file, then you can see there is some description. Okay, these areas, description area. Okay, suppose this is your legend areas, as for example. you will give all the item according to your legend. Suppose this is the location, but you will make it socioeconomic infrastructure. The road, physical infrastructure. Then administrative boundary, that you will make it, but the boundary is only on boundary, that will your justice upojela boundary, not the other boundary. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only on boundary, not the other boundary. Natural features, you will show the river. Others, you do not need it. And another, after finishing everything, listen one thing. After suppose you finished everything, as for example, I'm just click this thing. Okay, your legend and everything. Then, if you look at these areas, suppose as for example, your legend. Your legend. Look at the legend. Okay. As for example, legend with on bar. You see this bar, yes or no? On
Yes,
box,
sir.
on box. How to make this box? As for example, I'm just omit these things for your better. Okay. So suppose I'm just making the legend, then I will just tell you. If you have any confusion, please inform me.
Yes, sir. There is no river in Dinajpur Sadar, sir.
Yes, if you do not have anything like that, you do not need to make that legend. Okay. Suppose this legend, as for example, suppose this is your legend. Okay. Then if you need to make a box, from where, please look at these things. This is the rectangle. You can, okay, this is your rectangle. But
Sir,
this
one more time, please, sir.
from the drawing, you can draw a rectangle. Okay, suppose you just draw this rectangle, and when you just move your legend, okay, it is out of the screen, as for example, or it is overlapped. Okay, this is overlapped. So
Yes,
what
sir.
you will just double click this item, then fill color, you will make it no color. Fill color, you will make it no color, then look at this legend with line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Another side, listen your legend and everything. Another side, you should give your identity. That is, if you look at this identity there, then it will help you. Look at these things. So I will just make it bigger so that you can understand. This is the box. For example, you will make a box, or you can make a line. As for example, make a rectangle, on rectangle, okay, fine. Unchecked it, double clicked it, no color, apply. Okay, then you can make a text here, or it is better for you, please listen, you will just write your everything, particulars, your project, okay, your name, please, my request to everyone, your name, suppose your name, then your name, ID, okay, then mobile number, Daily Mail. Okay, these 4 things you will give it here. Okay, you will give it here and you will fill up all the things. Okay,
স্যার এখানে লেখাগুলো কি ছোট বড় করা যাবে?
everything you can, but if you want to make individual small and bigger, then you need to every item separate from each other. Suppose your name, you will give your name on text, ID another text, mail another text, okay, mobile another, so many things is here, so you can separate it by the text and you can make small and bigger. Okay,
Yes sir.
separate text. So listen part, so please I repeat it again. That's, look at your project name, your ID, GIS section E, Dinaspur, as for example, someone. This is. So everybody's project, at the beginning time, we gave that instruction that your folder name should be that. If not, it's totally count as a 0. Okay? Because your this item. As for example, someone now just thinking, sir, totally finished and you are telling this thing. So listen, how to solve this type of things? Okay, suppose as for example, you already finished it, but your ID, GI section is for, as for example. It should be, as for example, I am just close this thing so that you can understand. Suppose as for example, Dinaspur, okay, I'm just giving these things as for example, another ID. Just put it 02, okay. Okay, put it 02 and as for example, look at these things, it's small thing, okay. 02, I am just, there is no 02 ID, but just I am opening this thing. Okay, so look at these things. All things are, suppose as for, okay, I am just again make it. So, someone please tell your ID. I am just changing it. Then you can understand. Suppose that was Dinaspur. Please someone tell your ID.
Sir 1710
1710
9053.
9053. Your department?
Agriculture.
No, GIS. Okay, then
Oh sir.
section E. Okay, this is your folder. You will rename this folder directly. You will rename your folder directly. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. So why today is too small student are present? Whatever the section E is student. So this is your E. Okay. Your section E or F?
E sir, E.
Okay. So I am just
E, sir. Section E, sir.
okay, listen. I am just opening these things. Then suppose as for example, this is also changed. As for example, you are changing these things. Tell me.
17109053 section. Yes, section E, sir.
905
E, sir.
3.
53.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Then GIS
S E.
section E. Okay.
E.
Now I'm just opening these things. please listen on thing. If your same file, as for example, you already open one file, if you open another file, you cannot edit it. So check it, your file is only on open. Okay, now, so look at the left side. Everyone look at it, because you will face that type of problem. If not, that is good. So the first thing, look at the screen. If your zip is not the correct location, then your tick is dim position. Look, clear these things. Your georeferencing
Yes,
is
sir.
off. So what you need to do? Double click. Look at these things. First, you need to connect your folder. So from where you need to connect? From these areas you need to connect it. Because this problem not only this time, every time maybe you face.
17 স্যার উপরে চলে গেল স্যার। এই স্যার হ্যাঁ নিচে। এই স্যার 17।
Okay. So maybe you need to give your project name also. GIS project name, that section it was yes or no?
Yes sir, ID GIS section E their উপজেলা name.
Yes, that's why. I'm just close it again and I'm just give the
Proper everything.
that's why, so that you can actually
দিনাজপুর
yes, tell me.
nothing sir.
Okay. Now please, how to actually recover from your data, because you already finished everything. But if you need to do these things again, it's a horrible thing. That's why we think how to edit it, how to correct it. You need to understand it. In your practical life, you need to do this type of things. Okay. So now please, it already opened. Okay. So first what you need to do, listen, this is all are dim. So you need to connect your folder first. Connect folder. Connect. You already know this type of things, I think. This. Okay. We connect these things again. Next, you will double click it. Listen, you will double click. What you will do, or you can go to the properties. Double click or go to the properties, whatever you like. You can double click, then it will show you the properties. So go to the source. Then set data source. Then go to your Dinajpur. Look, this is folder connection and your Dinajpur. And your JPG. This is your JPG, you need to add it. So look at these things. When you add your JPG, then your georeferencing is open and your also that JPG. So listen, another things, everyone, inside your map, tick should be. So many file is here. Okay, but your these things all are, you should delete all the things. So look at your file. Your file contain your project file and your these two, because here is now we are open this file, that's why these two, your JPG and tick. Other, please, if any unnecessary thing, you need to delete it. So the tick is okay. Next thing, your boundary.
Sir,
again double click it. Yes.
So logo picture also we delete it sir because we have some logo.
Oh, no. Logo picture, why? Necessary, all the things should be here. Necessary,
Okay,
all
sir.
the things. If your logo picture, you need it. If the post office is not available, you will give that things here.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Only necessary thing, unnecessary. Suppose you are giving the folder, so many things, every unnecessary, suppose text file. Why it is here? Please, you need to unnecessary thing, you will delete it and make
Okay,
it.
sir.
Okay. So next is your boundary. You will double click it, go to the source. Click here. So you need to go to the again your folder connection. So your Dineshpur and your administrative boundary. Here is so many boundary. If it is not necessary, you will delete all the things. Only your own things will available. Unnecessary, all things should be omit from here. So look at these things. Your now boundary. Clear it.
Yes,
Then
sir.
road. Go to again your physical infrastructure road. You will add the source. So look at this thing. Your road and everything. Now it is available. So if so, I think it is now clear for everyone that if your data file is misconnection arise, how to connect these things. I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
And again another thing for your protection, not for this time, every time. When you finished your everything, when you finish everything, suppose your map, everything finished. Okay. So next thing, what you will do, you will just make a box and with the box with no color, so that it will always protect your map. Because if on anyone want to delete it, what happens? If on anyone want to delete your file, he or she cannot directly, because you already give a on protection, you already. So I think your everything is now clear.
Sir, gridটা দেখান স্যার, গ্রিড দেখাই হলো স্যার।
Okay, grid, how to create the grid. Okay, no problem. Anyone, any problem? Tell me. Any other problem?
বলেন স্যার, ল্যাটিটিউড লঙ্গিটিউড দেখাইতে হবে স্যার, আর ডেসিমাল ডিগ্রি ভ্যালু এই দুইটা একটু ক্লিয়ার করে দিয়েছি।
Okay, no problem. So listen, this map is now inchi and so many things right side. So what you need to do, you need to go to the view, data frame properties, then general, then decimal degree and degree minute second. Apply and okay. So your everything is now degree minute second. Look at this thing. But the layout view time, you do not need it. Okay. So the next thing, this is the grid. So how to grid you can. I will delete it first, then I will make it. Before that, you need to understand one thing, that is your this grid. I'm just going to this area. The not value difference from on item to suppose 25 degree 35 minutes, and here is the 25 degree 40 minutes. So difference is 5 minutes for the north. And east value, if you look at this thing, 88 35, 88 40. So 5 minutes, both of the item different. Okay. Now we are just going to the again layout view. Okay. Next thing, you need to go to the view, data frame property, and go to the grid. I'm just delete the grid, previous grid, apply. So without grid, this map. So now the next is new grid. First click the new grid, then click the next, then label. And you will give the label, look at this thing, label only. You will just delete it. Delete the 10 degree 0 from the keyboard and give the minute 5 minute difference. Give it 5 minutes. Okay? Then next. Then apply and okay. Then it will come. So after finishing everything, legend, every item, your identity, your every item, then save it, close it, everything. Then you will just make it zip and send the zip file, not the other file. I think my message is clear for everyone. So my request to everyone, please again connect it because we have 2 minutes. That's why everyone connected. Then I will talk to another item. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please. Check road and this is the one. So many road is here. Okay. When you start editing, okay, start editing. Please listen. If I just select these things, suppose 2 things, then look at these things. Buffer, union, so many things. Okay. This is not add with your exam, but you need to understand something. I'm just allows, then I will just talk to this matter. Okay, please look at these things. Here is the move, split. Okay, construct point, copy parallel, merge buffer union. Suppose this type of things, especially merge buffer union. This type of things. If you look at this thing, merge buffer union. The buffer, sometimes you need to suppose this area is 5 kilometer, you need to make a buffer. Buffer means another line will create with exact distance. Okay, at the time of your practical, you already collect the GIS 3 books, I think. You already collected from the our university's their lab. Okay, because this time the situation is not good. That's why we just simple our project. Otherwise, so many things is here. That is merge, buffer, union, how to do this type of thing. If you read that book, you can easily understand that thing. Another things we finished. Listen. That is the tools. There is so many tools is here. Okay, so many tools is here. We only just click the data management tools just and try to make a features to polygon. So other so many things is here. Suppose as for example, if sometimes you are doing some example but it's not working, then you need to repair the geometry. Then sometimes polygon to line, sometimes features to line, sometimes features to point. Okay, this type of things you need to work on that. So that book help you to how to apply that type of thing. So this time we just summarize our syllabus so that at least how to make this type of things, how to work on that type of things, we try to give it. Okay, because this is the suppose some person, you have a computer, you have a laptop, you have a desktop, but they have the okay, but majority maybe they have the, but very few student maybe laptop or computer, that type of things, okay, is not available for them. That's why we have just summarized this course so that at least electrical, civil, mechanical, sorry, agricultural, electrical, they can finish their project. If you need any help, we will help you. The university, when the situation, everything is okay, okay, no problem. If you face any type of problem, we will help you. Okay, so after finishing your project, suppose you finished your project, suppose you finished your everything, as for example, everything, I'm just move these things. Suppose you finished your everything, every item, latitude, longitude, and everything. When you finished everything, then you need to file export map. Okay, file export map, and you will just export your map. Okay, export your map. Look, your JPG and your everything, your name, and save it. Okay, and just look at your, this is your JPG. As for example, just I am just giving you an example how to export it. I am just opening another file. Suppose I am just opening another file, just copy paste. So just I am just opening on, this is not exact file.
Sir, we cannot hear you, sir. Your microphone is off, sir.
So listen, this is on example. This is on example of a map. Okay, on map, and how to transfer, because your folder should be okay contain on JPG with, suppose your folder contain the project JPG. Okay, this is the project JPG. Okay, and this is your JPG where everything is, as for example. So I am showing another example. Look, this is the JPG. You need to fire everything. Okay. Anyone complete your project? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Almost, sir.
Almost. You can send me my mail so that
Now,
I
sir.
can. Oh, no. Okay. No problem. So my message is clear for everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Listen.
Sir,
Next
when is
day.
the last date to submit the assignment, sir?
No. Please. Next day when you will join the class, then
That means 24th of May, April.
24th. Please listen. April. When you join the class, then I will allow everybody one by one. Please show your things. Or I will tell you, please, now submit it. Then you will submit. When I tell you, then you will submit.
Okay, sir.
Before that, don't send it.
স্যার আমার অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট তো কমপ্লিট করা হয়েছে আমি কি আপনার কাছে এটা সেন্ড করব একবার চেক
No,
করে
no. You do not need to send it now.
That would be a panic.
Next day, I will see you.
ক্লাস টাইমিং দিবেন স্যার? স্যার ক্লাস টাইমে আমরা সেন্ড করে দিব স্যার আপনাকে।
ফার্স্ট টাইমে হয় সেন্ড
Last
করতে
time-
বলবে না হয় দেখাইতে বলবে, শেয়ার করে দেখাইতে বলবে। এই
If I tell you, please show your your project. Okay. If okay, then I tell you, please send it now. I will check. Suppose here is the 70 student. Maybe I will check 10%. You don't know who is 10%. Then they will show it to you. If you fail to show you, then your Viva 10 mark, it will 0. Okay. So please prepared everything. Okay.
স্যার আমি আপনারা বলছিলাম স্যার ল্যাটিটিউড লঙ্গিটিউডটা স্যার এটা আমি বুঝি নাই স্যার।
Latitude, longitude, what does it mean? Please, you need to go to the view, data frame properties. Then east and north value, look at these things. East and north value. Look at your map. East and north value. You need to show the east. Look at this east and north value. Okay, this is the east and north value. Now clear? So you need to show it in the map.
Yes sir.
East and north value. So now I am just,
স্যার
yes,
এই ভ্যালুগুলো ম্যাপে শো করতে হবে স্যার।
yes, in the grid position. So now I am just calling your name one by one. Please inform. Please everyone, please. I am just calling the name first. Section E, then section.
Sir, if we have the river in our map, sir, that time we do not know how to make this like river water, like a picture in the picture JPG file. Then
No,
like
you
that.
will just make the river, because this time we have just excuse the project things. Suppose you need to make the polygon. Okay, so we just omit that things this time. Okay, you need to just
Okay, sir.
okay. So another person who is the present section E, MD